So hello guys, how are you all doing? Hopefully everyone is doing very well. Welcome back to my new video. Today's topic is how to change Gmail password on mobile. Let's quickly start the video. First of all, you need to open your Gmail. After opening it, here you will find the login for your Gmail. After going to the login, see here, you will get the option called manage a Google account. Alright, after that, you will see the home page here. Then you will get personal info, then data and privacy, then security, and then people and sharing options. To change the password, you need to click on personal info here. After clicking, scroll down a bit and look here. After scrolling down a bit, you will see the password. Okay, you will get the password option, so you need to click on it. Look here, Google verification is happening, yes or no. Okay, so this way you can enter the new password here.